Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. After chalking up their sixth win of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League season on Sunday, Humble Lion will be docked 3 points after using an ineligible player in their match against Montego Bay United. Humble Lion had won the match 2-1 at Westport Park after goals from Andre Clennon and Javane Thompson helped them get the better of the home team, who got their goal from Jean-Claudio Rios Ferreira. But the team will now be 3 points worse. The Clarendon-based team will now be 3 points worse off, as Mobay United has been awarded the match 3-0 based on competition rules. It will see Humble Lion fall to 11th in the standings on 18 points, while Mobay, well, they move up to 26 points and remain in 8th place. Further afield on Paris Saint-Germain striker Kylian Mbappe has agreed to join Real Madrid this summer. The France captain has told PSG he intends to leave the club when his contract expires in June. Mbappe has not signed a contract with Real yet, but the deal could be announced once it is no longer possible for the clubs to meet in this season's Champions League. The World Cup winner is PSG's record goal scorer with 244 goals. Mbappe won the French title with Monaco before joining PSG as an 18-year-old in 2017, initially on loan before a €180 million move. Overall, he has 244 goals and 93 assists in 291 games for PSG and has helped the club to 5 league title wins. Mbappe was set to leave PSG on a free transfer at the end of the 2021-2022 season, but ultimately signed a 2-year contract extension with the option of a further year. St. Jago High Boys and Adrenaline High Girls are the early leaders of the respective sections on the opening day of the 2-day Central High Schools Athletics Championships underway at GC Foster College. Defending champions St. Jago lead the boys section after 2 finals with 16 points, ahead of Homewood Technical 15, Adrenaline 14, Hydel 10 and Manchester High 6 points in the top 5 so far. Adrenaline are out front on the girls' side with 39 points after 4 finals. They are followed by St. Jago with 26 points, Homewood Technical 17, Manchester High 15.5 and defending champions Hydel with 14.5 points in the top 5 so far. Adrenaline's Shamoya Morris is among the highlights so far in the meet, throwing 48.45 meters to win the girls' Class 1 discus. A total of 36 finals will be contested on today's opening day. Now, 2 of the most decorated coaches in athletics history, Glenn Mills and Stephen Francis, will be joined by MVP President and World Athletics official Bruce James to share their expertise at the 12th staging of the Howard Arys Memorial Lecture. Member of the organizing committee, Ryan Peralto, says it will be a tremendous opportunity for coaches, athletes and other stakeholders from locally and overseas to pick the brains of 2 of the world's best minds in the sport of athletics.
And that's one of the reasons for the visiting teams as well. We said to them, hey, listen, there is a Howard Arys Memorial Lecture, and we time it. What we do is we say, okay, let us have it just before the meet. That way people are in town. That's the other thing, you know. And we said to the coaches who are coming in now from Trinidad, from the Bahamas, from Canada, we're going to have this thing come to the lecture.
In previous years, there was a single guest speaker for the lecture, but Reverend Peralto says this year's change should serve to give even more information to stakeholders.
This year, it's going to be a little different. We're having a panel discussion. And so we'll be having there Coach Glenn Mills, Coach Stephen Francis and Bruce James. And they'll be speaking and having a panel discussion about how you prepare your athletes, your elite athletes, to peak and then taper down and then peak again during the course of a season. And that should be an interesting discussion.
The Gibson McCook Relays will be held on Saturday, February 24, starting at 9:30, and the sale of tickets began at the Stadium Ticket Office on Monday. Live and exclusive coverage can be seen on TVJ, TVJSN, and One Spot Media with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. And that's where we come across the finish line for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.